I'm Vicky Silverthorne and I'm a professional organiser, and today we're going to talk about how to organise your junk drawer. A junk drawer, also thought of as a useful drawer containing various bits and bobs, is very common in most homes. But let's talk about how we can organise it a little so you can find exactly what you need when you need it. Firstly, empty everything out and try not to focus on anything specific at this point. If you do start focusing on things, you'll just get distracted. Next, put everything in categories neatly and then remove anything that lives elsewhere in your home and put it to the side. Next, remove anything you can dispose of. Make sure you have a rubbish and a recycling bag handy. Take a mental note of things that you have too many of. Before a space is organised, it's really easy to miss things and then you end up buying things unnecessarily. If you feel like you need drawer dividers to up your level of organisation, make sure you measure up first, then purchase them, and then you can implement them. Put things back in basic categories, and there you have it. It can still be called your junk drawer, but it's just an upgraded version. Use this method on any drawer in your home, working on them one at a time to achieve organisational bliss.